person, place, thing, or idea. A proper noun is a word that always starts with a capital letter, big letter, right? Or to name a specific one-of-a-kind item. Common nouns are words used to name general items like chair, table, desk, things like that. Window, those are common nouns, right? A word is just a word until you decide how to use it. Don't forget that, okay? Because we use words many different ways in the English language. Are you talking about an action? Are you talking about a thing? Are you talking about how someone feels? Most nouns can also be used as a verb, and don't forget, many verbs can be used as nouns. Here are some common nouns. Is that your car? Well, yes, I just bought it a few days ago. So, car, if you haven't figured that one out, car is a noun. Day, a day. Day is also a noun. Why are they running down the street? Well, they need to catch the bus. Bus is a noun. Street is a noun. When you use the definite article, indefinite article before a word, that word's probably a noun. So, the street, a street, yeah, that's going to be a noun. Catch the bus. That's a phrase that we use when we want to get on the bus and go somewhere. So, to catch the bus, to catch a bus. A bus, the bus, bus is a noun. That's pretty easy stuff, right? Do you want to buy a pair of jeans? Yes, let's go to the shop. So let's take a look. Do is a verb, right? You is a pronoun. Want is a verb. To preposition. Buy is a verb. A pair of jeans. A pair of. Pair of could be a determiner, quantifier, something like that. In this case, jeans is your noun, right? Shop, the shop. So, a pair of jeans. If we wanted to go further with that, we could say a banana, an orange, right? With the indefinite article, right? So, a pair of jeans. Yes, let's go to the shop. The shop, the store, the bazaar, something like that, right? So, the shop, the. What else do we? Here are some proper nouns. Can you find them? Remember, proper nouns have a capital letter. They start with a big letter. What is your father's name? Or, hey, what's your father's name? You'll notice my intonation went up a little bit. We don't always do that. Often the intonation goes up on the word before the last word. What is your father's name? You see? His name is Bob. So, Bob, Bill, Ralph. Yes, all of those words start with a capital letter, a large letter, because they are considered proper nouns. Hey, what city do you live in? Well, I live in London, right? So, London is a city. San Francisco, New York, those are cities, and they start with a large or capital letter. That's considered a proper noun. Who is Mr. Jones married to? Well, he's married to Sally, right? Mr. and Jones must be capitalized. So the M, the J, and for pretty Sally, the S. Yes, the capital S for Sally, because Sally is a person's name and it must be capitalized. Here are some word definitions. Check your dictionary for more. Specific. Well, if we use the word specific, it really means the same as exact. That exact place, that exact thing, or a specific place. One of a kind. Well, only one was created. Most people are considered one of a kind. Common, something there is many of, right? We have many of those. There are many cars. Cars are common. Catch, to catch the bus before it leaves. Again, we're going to get on the bus. We're going to catch the bus. Decide, to choose something from another or others. We must decide what to eat today. Should we have breakfast, dinner, hamburger, pizza, spaghetti? I want to thank you for joining me today. Have fun with English.